Is Mother's Day, as we've been mentioning all morning, but it is not too late to make sure she has a special day.
That's right. Andrew Felix with Tech Launchpad has some gadgets that will make her life a little bit easier.
You know, with Mother's Day right around the corner, we've got to come up with hot new gadgets for her. So, went out and found some cool things that I think Mom's going to love. First up, from a company called Monuel. This is the Ritus. This thing's a hybrid robot cleaner. It's going to clean your floors. It's going to clean your carpet. It's going to clean the tile, hardwood, everything you got. Now, it won't jump on the table and clean it. It won't clean your windows, but it will take care of all your floor issues. It's got two side brushes. It's going to clean over 1,000 times. It even has this room indicator. I'm just getting every detail because it's such a cool device. It's also got a remote control on it that allows you to control it without it going by itself. But go to work, your home's going to become clean when you get back. Cool device there. Next up, from ID America, this is the Cushy. This thing's got a cool slogan as what's going around. Keep calm and carry on for the mom there, especially if you got little ones. This is cool. You're going to protect the back, the sides, the front, everything. Cool, neat case there. Now, a lot of moms do a lot of typing at home, maybe even work, and you want to take care of them. Carpal tunnel syndrome is a big thing if you just sit and type for hours and hours. Well, the PenClick, and I'm going to get this right, Mini Keyboard C2 is going to allow you to help that. It's got quiet keys. You can barely hear it when you type, but it's also got two USB ports in the back. It's got a powered USB cable. Plug it in. It's going to recognize it right away. Like I said, what I liked about it is it's small. It's compact. It's not going to take up a lot of room. Cool, nice device there. Now, finally, from A-Case, this thing's awesome. This is the Black Diamond 3. This is a speaker. Now, what I liked about it was, I'm just going to show you here. I'll turn this on so you can see. It's going to light up. The colors are going to change, and the lights are going to change based on the music. It's a Bluetooth speaker. Sounds amazing. As you can see, the colors are all changing there. But when the music plays, it's going to pulsate. The colors are going to change. It's going to bounce the music. Cool, neat device right there for the mom, maybe for her office, outside, or in the kitchen. So, a lot of cool devices here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And hey, have a happy Mother's Day.